Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll walk you through a super useful tutorial how to integrate Canva with Mailchimp for seamless email design. If you've ever wanted to design stunning visuals in Canva and effortlessly add them to your Mailchimp email campaigns, you're in the right place. By the end of this guide, you'll have your accounts linked and your designs flowing directly from Canva into Mailchimp, saving you tons of time and making your emails look amazing. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open up Mailchimp. Go ahead and log into your account. Take a moment to make sure you're on the dashboard, the main page where you usually start. It feels a bit like standing in the lobby of a hotel. This is where all your tools and integrations branch out from. Now, once you're in, look over on the left-hand side for the Integrations tab. Go ahead and click on that. Integrations are Mailchimp's way of working together with other platforms and apps, kind of like inviting new friends over to collaborate. In this case, we're connecting it with Canva so you can pull your beautiful templates and designs straight into your newsletters. Once you're in the integrations section, you'll see a bunch of options and different apps you can link. What you want to do next is select Manage. This is where you get to decide which integrations are active and how they connect to your Mailchimp account. Think of it as tightening up the nuts and bolts so everything works smoothly. On the next screen, look for the Canva option. It might be listed alphabetically, or you can use the search bar to find it faster. When you spot Canva, click Connect. This is where we're creating the bridge between Mailchimp and Canva, letting them talk to each other. You might see a new window asking for your Canva login details. If so, go ahead and enter those. Remember, if you're not quite sure which Canva account is the right one, just double-check your Canva dashboard first. It's always better to link the correct workspace, especially if you juggle multiple brands or projects. At this point, if you've already connected Canva previously, you'll see the option to go straight to your dashboard. This is a great way to double-check that your accounts are linked. There's no harm in revisiting this step, just to make sure everything is in sync. You'll notice a little badge or note indicating that the connection is live. Don't worry if it takes a moment for everything to update. Mailchimp and Canva are just syncing up your information in the background. Once the integration is finished, here, the magic, you'll see your Canva designs appear inside Mailchimp right there in your dashboard. This means you can select any of your Canva creations and drop them into your Mailchimp campaigns without downloading and uploading files back and forth between tabs. It honestly feels like opening a wardrobe and seeing all your clothes neatly organized and ready to use. It just makes everything faster and easier. And that's all there is to it. You've just set up Canva with Mailchimp for super streamlined email design. If you hit a snag anywhere along the way, take a breath and double-check which accounts you're logged into. And remember, even if it takes a couple tries, soon it'll be second nature. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button, let me know any questions, or share your experience with Canva and Mailchimp down in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more practical step-by-step guides just like this. Catch you in the next one.